In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a bank statement from Zoho Books. We'll go through the process from start to finish in a simple, clear way so you can quickly save a copy of your bank statement directly to your computer. This is useful if you need the statement for bookkeeping, reconciliation, reporting, or to share with your accountant. To begin, open Google Chrome and log into your Zoho Books account. Once you're signed in, make sure you're on the main dashboard so you can easily access the banking section. If you manage multiple modules or accounts, just take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct Zoho Books organization before continuing. Next, go to the banking section and then open bank accounts. This area shows the bank accounts connected or recorded in your Zoho Books account. From the list, select the specific bank account for which you want to download a statement. It's a good idea to double check the account name before moving forward, especially if you work with more than one account. After opening the correct bank account, look for the Statements tab. In some layouts, you may also see a download icon instead. Either option will take you to the statement download area. Once you're there, you'll be able to choose the period you want the statement to cover. Now select the date range that fits your needs. You may have preset options such as a month or a quarter, or you can choose a custom range if you need more flexibility. Choosing the right date range is important, so take a second to verify the start and end dates before downloading. This helps avoid getting the wrong reporting period and saves time later. Once the date range is set, choose the file format you want to download. Zoho Books typically gives you options like PDF, CSV, or QIF. A PDF is usually best if you want a clean, easy-to-read statement for viewing or sharing. CSV works well if you want to analyze or edit the data in a spreadsheet. QIF can be useful if you need the file for financial software imports. When everything looks correct, click Download. The file will then save directly to your computer, usually in your default downloads folder, unless your browser is set up differently. After the download finishes, open the file and quickly review it to make sure the account, date range, and format are exactly what you needed. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded a bank statement from Zoho Books using Chrome.